Oh, I have super spider senses for my queen.
Morning, guys.
I pay attention to every single detail of you, babe. You're my life. You're my queen. I'm your king. So I make sure that I look at we're building a new future. We're building our future. Anyway,
Mhm.
what are you doing? I hope you're not recording me right now. What are you doing? Don't do that.
Guys, morning again. Let's having coffee and yung cake, yung cheesy cake. Parang, basta, hindi ko alam, basta. Tinapay. And magluto tayo ng corned beef para sa baon natin, guys. Diba? And my king is riding. O, diba? Ganyan lang kami araw-araw. Guys, luto na po yung ating corned beef para sa baon po natin while I'm having coffee, 'di ba? Then I'm talking to my babe there because we are planning something, you know. And we're having one day we're having surprise for you guys, 'di ba? So, yummy. And yung kanin ko nagluluto pa lang, guys. O, tingnan niyo. Ganyan ako magluto, guys, kasi ayoko yung bumubula-bula na lumalabas yung 'di ba? Rice. You know, guys, my babe, she's cooking his food, and then she said to me, "Oh shit, I need to cook rice." And then I said to him, "Yes, babe, because rice is life."
I have the right.
He is a Filipino now, guys.
Yeah, I need a full bag of rice.
Show your rice cooker, baby.
I need a stack of rice. I only have a few.
Show your rice cooker.
Help me, please. Rice is life. I have no food. Donations.
Oh,
I need donations.
donation.
I need donations for my rice.
He's so silly, guys. Now we cook rice because she said, "Oh shit, I forgot rice."
We need food. Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Help me.
Oh, guys, nakabihis na po tayo. Sa papasok na po tayo, guys. But you're making silly. That's why I'm still at home. So, guys, see you at work. Guys, we're home na, 'di ba? Buhay na buhay ang ating lipstick, guys. So, ba? Ang pangit na ng buko kasi nga lagi nakaipit. Kaya ang bagal humaba ba. So, we're home. Tanta ba ching ko, guys? So, guys, few days ago, andito na siya, guys. Oh my God, bilis ng panahon, guys. Pero ang init-init pa rin ang panahon. Okay, guys, good night. Medyo pagod ako ngayon kaya parang wala akong ganang mag-video.